Today, we are going to listen to the history of Gaudiya Nritya, a dance that was born in devotion and nearly lost in time. It began in the land of Gaura, in ancient Bengal, where rhythm met prayer and movement became worship. Gaudiya Nritya was more than performance. It was the language of the soul. It flourished under the devotion of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when the saints of Bengal sang and bodies became poetry. But as time changed, so did fate. Patronage faded, politics took over, and the dance of Bengal fell silent. In the 1980s, one woman refused to let it die. Dr. Mahwa Mukharji searched through scriptures, sculptures, and songs, rebuilding the forgotten grammar of movement, one gesture at a time. Today, Gaudiya Nritya breathes again in every ankle bell that rings, in every woman who dances not just for art, but for remembrance. Gaudiya Nritya, the dance that time almost forgot, but Bengal never truly did.